Hello and welcome to What's in My Bag. So, little bit of a quick backstory. I thrifted this wonderful crossbody bag years ago, and it has definitely been my favorite grab-and-go purse, but unfortunately it is kind of weighing down and heavy on my back, and so at the recommendation of my doctor, I am going to now switch to a backpack style bag, and hopefully that is going to, stop these old lady back pains that I am frequently getting now. So I figured, why not share exactly what this Refashionista carries around in her bag every single day, and you guys can kind of see my low waist, accessories that I carry around with me, as well as I'm sure there's going to be some stuff in here that I haven't maybe seen for a few years as well. Plus, I'm also going to be transferring it all into my fancy, new to me, cool little backpack. So, yeah.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
As I said, I am super disappointed that I can't use my fantastic crossbody, pre-loved, wonderful purse anymore. It had so many useful little pockets and features, but I kind of got to do what's best for this body. And using the backpack purse, it's going to help my back. So I actually found out about this back problem and that it was caused by this thing here last year, and I have literally spent months scouring thrift stores and vintage stores and secondhand shops online and brick and mortar stores looking for that perfect everyday grab and go backpack purse, to no avail. I could not find a pre-loved one, and because I am who I am, I absolutely tried my hardest. I did not want to have to resort to buying a new one, but my back just can't take it anymore. So I spent a few weeks researching companies, and I actually think I found one that it was affordable for me and looks awesome and hopefully is going to get the job done. And ta-da, here it is. How adorable is that? And of course it is bigger than my regular purse, but I think that's actually going to be a good thing in the end. And it also has pockets on the side here for water bottles, a kind of secret pocket back here to hold the important stuff close to my back so I don't have to worry about that. And like I said, I checked out the company and everything seems to be on the up and ethical with this company. We're hoping, fingers crossed, that it's the truth of what I found out online. And so let's get going with the transfer. First, let's check out exactly what is inside my everyday bag. Now, this is seriously all the stuff that I carry with me every single day when I leave the house. Where shall we start? Let's go with, I guess, the main pockets. Sunglasses, of course. My chopsticks, and I actually have two sets in here, and that's, so I can be low waste, zero waste if I'm out and about and I grab some kind of fast food or something. I don't need to use their cutlery or anything. Phone, wallet, reusable shopping bag, of course, and I've actually had this one for about a decade, and that is awesome and fantastic, and I reinforced the seams only once during that time, so good quality grab and go reusable bag. What else do I have in here? In the lovely little pockets, we have some mints, which it says for the allerbeste mama, which means, for the best mom in the world, basically, from my kiddo, of course, that little tin. Some business cards. Next pocket, my headphones in of course, my wonderful clothespin, upcycled clothespin headphone holder. And any of the tutorials that I'm mentioning, I will put the links down below for you guys so you can make them yourself. What else do we have? Ah, sunglass cloth. And I think now we can move on to the interior zipper pocket. And this is where the fun starts. Okay, we have 2 collapsible, reusable drinking straws. And these are super duper cool. I have 2 because, of course, one for me and one for my kiddo. And all you do is take it. Ta-da! How awesome is that? And it also has a little squeegee cleaner in there that you just poke down inside to clean them. And yeah, you just kind of fold it and then fold it again, pop it back in, and there you have it. That's so small, it's super light and crazy convenient. So now we're not, using drinking straws ever. So what else do we have? Oh, groovy mini vintage sewing kit, of course. And in here we have scissors, needles, needle threader, some pins, a little measure, and of course, thread. And yeah, how cool is that? My tape measure, which of course I always need on me for measuring things while I'm out thrift shopping or, finding things on the side of the road. What else? My collapsible scissors. I love these. And yeah, how cool is that? It's just, handy for cutting little threads and stuff, and they collapse perfectly. Ooh, some of my Confessions of a Refashionista info postcards, just in case, I need to do some marketing advertising while I'm out and about. 2 reusable cloth napkins. Now these, you can use anything you want. I like to use baby washcloths because they're very absorbent and they are very, very soft. And there, you can see they're just kind of the perfect size to fold up and have in my bag with me. And yeah, then we don't have to use, cutlery, straws, or even napkins while we're out and about because I got them all reusable ones in my bag. Very low waste. I think for the inside, yes, that's done it. And, okay. Shall we do the back pocket now? Still not done. Hand sanitizer. My absolute favorite hand cream from Germany, and this is all I have left after doing my big international move to Toronto, and so I use this very, very sparingly while I'm out and about. A mini hand cream, that's for my kiddo. Some tissues. A foldable, collapsible hairbrush. And a bit of lip balm. And this is organic, fancy lip balm, of course. I didn't pay for that. I got it as a sample somewhere. But that's the thing. These groovy little sample sizes, they're fantastic for putting in your purse. All right. First front pocket. Let's see. Pen. Pad. Oh, I thought I lost that lipstick, but a lipstick. And my always have with me little makeup kit. This is a little vintage pouch that I have stitched and sewn many, many times because it was passed down to me from Tante Ushi in the now famous treasure chest that I inherited when she passed. That was full of vintage dresses and belts and loads of funky cool things, including this beautiful little vintage makeup pouch. And in here I have my DIY lip balm that is tinted, a bit of face powder, some hair elastics, nail file, and what else do we have in here? Ah, a lip liner. So yeah, pretty good so far. I didn't realize I had so much. Is that it for there? Yes, I think so. Next, yeah, the last pocket here simply has my keys. That's it. And here's something that's rather cool. We went to a maker fair, and they were making these little Canada flag things, so I got ones that says a Refashionista on it. And this also is actually quite sharp, and it makes a very good kind of weapon if needed. Sad but true, right, ladies? It's, yeah. And this cool little thing that I got in Germany, and it actually works here as well in North America, this is specifically for shopping carts. So you know how, like in Canada, it takes a quarter or a loonie. I'm not sure what it is in the States, probably something similar like a quarter. In Germany, you can actually get these, and they go on your keychain, and it's just a little disc that fits into the shopping carts, so you don't always have to make sure that you have a coin on you. You just use your little chip. So yeah, pretty cool. Right, so I think that is all. My little bag here is appears to be empty. So farewell. Yeah, I'm gonna see how everything fits into my fancy new bag, and I'll be right back. Well, I managed to get everything up, plus a few more things from my old bag into my groovy new backpack purse. And yeah, I can now actually also carry a water bottle and a collapsible umbrella in these funky side pockets. And yeah, I really like that there's also like security features on here, like this flap that then covers up the zippers, and it closes up here as well. There's also a hole for headphones to come through, so that's awesome. But you'll see, can you see? I did get a lot of stuff in there, and I still actually have even more space, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, you may be wondering just where did I score this absolutely fabulous backpack purse after searching for so long. And as I said, unfortunately, I could not find a pre-loved backpack purse that suited my needs, so I did have to buy a new one. And you know what? That's okay. Lowering your waste and being eco-friendly and living sustainably doesn't mean that every single thing that you buy has to be used or has to be from super eco-friendly organic type of companies. You know, as long as you're trying your best, it's okay. That's more than good enough, because loads of people lowering their waste and shopping sustainably, shopping ethically, living a more eco-friendly lifestyle is so much better than just a few people who are able to go totally zero waste. So always keep that in mind. As long as you're lowering your waste, you're doing awesome. There's no reason really to try to push yourself to these zero waste lifestyles, you know, because not everybody can actually afford to go completely zero waste. Not everybody has the time or the energy that is needed to go into it. So like I said, as long as you're trying your best, as long as you are lowering your waste, there's no reason to go totally no waste or zero waste. But yeah, back to my groovy bag. And this is not a sponsored video at all. I bought this with my own money. I researched everything with my own time, and I just happen to really love this bag. And it is, I'll just grab the little card that it came with. It is from a company called Vonskury. I think that's how you say that. And yeah, you know, it wasn't expensive, but it also wasn't the cheapest bag available. It had excellent reviews, and it also comes with a 1-year replacement guarantee, which is absolutely fantastic. I did get this from Amazon. Again, not a sponsored post or video at all, just imparting the information where I got it. So if you do want to get one yourself, you can. And yeah, I think what really sold it for me is these kind of anti-theft features, as well as the color is fantastic. And yeah, the quality is so far so good. And like I said, it does have the 1-year guarantee. So that's a big selling point for me as well, to know that if something goes wrong with the zipper or the lining or anything like that, that I can get a replacement, and I don't have to try to mend and make do myself for something like this, because these type of things are a little bit more difficult to mend. And so yeah, that's just a really nice thing to know that it is protected if something does go wrong with it. Like I said, the company once again is Von Scurry. I think that's how you say that. I'm really not sure. But they do have like 4 different styles in their online shop. And one of them that I was really leaning towards as well, it's quite cool because you can change up the straps and it can be a shoulder bag or a backpack bag. But, you know, for me, I figured I'm not going to use it as a shoulder bag. And I really liked the red color, so I went with this. But yeah, there you have it. Don't forget to pick up my Sustainable Lifestyle Handbook, as well as now my Eco-Friendly Beauty and Bath. They are only $3 and available over on my site, awesomesauce@hattery.com. And as always, share your favorite tutorials with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more eco-friendly, sustainable lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.